your things and let's make it a little bit. That's a lot. And on the other side too.
And why do you do this, Elise?
I do it because when I see any messes, then I don't want ants to come. So that's why flies or ants to come or bees or anything. We just don't like it. So that's why we like cleaning the house so much.
Okay.
I see the this. We're gonna take you out.
And Liana here. Welcome back to the Saturday Sisters Show. This topic is going to be all about house chores.
What do you mean by house chores, girls?
So what I mean about house chores, my sister Liana, she's going to be sweeping. I'm going to be wiping the table. Okay?
Is that how you girls do?
No. We wipe. Sometimes we wash the mirrors. All our mirrors, and sometimes we do dustpan and brush, and sometimes we organize our shoes. Sometimes we do everything that's good for us to do.
Right, Liana, what do you know about house chores? Because you said house chores.
So what I know about house chores is we do house chores such as wash the dishes, do laundry, sort out our shoes, and today I am going to be sweeping the floor with my dustpan and brush.
And why do you girls do house chores?
So that our house can be clean, because that we don't want it to be dirty, or then ants will come, and then ants will come inside the house, and then we'll have to do all the cleaning so that the ants can just shoo and go away.
So ants can go away.
Yes.
Okay, that's the reason why we do house chores.
Yes, so that we keep any bugs or ants or creatures that come inside our house away. Because if we leave rubbish all over, then ants come and flies come, and it's just disgusting and weird.
Okay, so what age is it appropriate to do house chores?
So it's appropriate to house chores at the age 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 6 too.
And 6 too.
Because 6 is nearly a big number, because you only need 4 more till you're 10.
Okay, Liana?
So I think that the age that you should be to do house chores is 6 or over.
Okay. So Liana, you mentioned something earlier on about sweeping the floor?
Yeah, so in the morning when I wake up, when I see any like dust or dirty patches, then I sweep it up.
What of Ellis?
So when I wake up, what I do, I brush my teeth, I eat, and then when I come downstairs, I see some dirt, so I just pick it up with my hands. So it go like beep 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 beep. I pick it up.
At least like sanitize the table and wipes it with like the surface cleaner and the cloth.
Okay, are you guys gonna be showing us how you do this?
Yes.
So who's going first?
Liana.
I am.
All right, Liana. So what do you?
So I am going to be teaching you guys how to do the dustpan and brush.
And what have you got there, Liana?
So I've got a dustpan and a brush.
Okay, and what are you doing?
So I'm just sweeping up all of the dirty patches, because you see those dirty little patches.
Okay.
I don't want any ants coming, so I have to sweep them quickly.
All right, show us then.
Like this. So I'm brushing it into the dustpan and brush, like that. So I use the brush to brush the dirt and put it inside the dustpan.
And why do you do this every day?
So I do this every day to keep like ants and flies coming inside our house, because if you leave any dirt in your house, then ants and flies will come and it will just be disgusting, and your house will look very unorganized and not neat.
Fantastic. That's good. Thank you, Liana. Now we're moving up to Ellis. Ellis, what did you say you normally do?
So what I normally do, I clean the table.
You clean the table.
Yeah.
Do you want to show us how you do your table cleaning?
Yes.
Go on then. So what's that? You didn't tell us what you're using.
So what I'm using the spray, and I have a cloth here.
Okay.
So right now I have to open it. I have to try and see if I can spray it.
It's not opened.
It's not opened.
Twist it again.
Twist it.
That's
Wait, I'm not
it.
twisting it. It's okay.
You try.
I'm doing it, twisting a little bit. That's a lot. And on the other side too.
And why do you do this, Elise?
I do it because when I see any messes, then I don't want ants to come. So that's why flies or ants to come, or bees or anything. We just don't like it. So that's why we like cleaning the house so much.
Okay.
I see these. We're gonna take you out. I've touched this part.
Alright,
That
cool.
one.
Thank you, girls, for showing us what you do. Now, moving up. Elise, come back and take your seat, please.
Okay.
Right.
So here's the queen. Okay.
Queen Elise.
Yeah.
Great. So, girls,
Queen one.
why is it very important that you do house chores? Important, like, I know you said because you don't want ants to come to the house, you don't want insects, but apart from that, why is it so important that we do house chores?
So it's so important that we do house chores, because if we don't do house chores, our house will just be all messy, and then boosh, everything, all the ants and all the flies and all and everything. We don't know. We don't like it. So that's why we always clean our house. But
What of Liana?
So we do house chores so that just to keep our house clean, and I help mommy like do laundry and wash dishes, and because I don't want to have like a dirty, ragged house, I would prefer a nice and clean house.
Okay, you mentioned something about laundry.
Yeah.
Girls, what do you mean by laundry? What sort of laundry do you do?
so we fold the clothes. We help our mom put it inside the washing machine, and then we use another washing machine to dry it. But that's not called a washing machine. It's called a dryer washing machine.
Okay. Liana?
Yes, so by laundry, we mean, so we sort out the clothes like white separate, blacks and blues separate, and mixed colors separate. And then when it's washed and dried, then we sort them out, like we fold them and put them back inside our closet, ready for another day.
Wow, what a brilliant job you do. So Elise, you mean there is washing machine and
Yeah.
there is a tumble dryer.
Yeah.
So the tumble dryer is
Dries.
not a washing machine.
Yeah, it dries the clothes.
It dries the clothes. Great. And when you do such house chores, does your mommy and daddy give you something, or how do they say thank you to you girls?
So they give us a treat.
Treats?
Yeah.
What sort of treats do you get, Elise?
I get chocolate, sweets, candy, and what? I get both every single time.
And that's why you like doing house chores all the time.
Yeah. So I can get my yummy gummy bears.
Okay, Liana.
So they appreciate us by, they say well done, they hug us, and sometimes they give us treats such as chocolates, sweets, and candies.
You didn't mention that you would get house weekly, like pocket money for doing house chores.
No.
Oh yeah, so we also get pocket money. So whenever we do house chores, then sometimes our mum and dad give us pocket money, and we can use that pocket money to buy whatever we want.
Right, so what that means is your parents encourage you to do house chores by actually paying you like token.
Yeah.
So this is a good way of encouraging children to do house chores.
Yeah.
So for instance, if they sweep the house, wash the dishes, mommy and daddy gives them like 50 cents, 50p, 1 naira, whatever the denomination is, just to encourage them to do more.
Okay.
So any other things you want to tell your friends out there so that they can also do house chores and you know, help their mommy and daddy.
So make sure that you watch some videos so that you don't forget how to do house chores. So if you don't know how to sweep, you should watch the Apexes. If you don't know how to clean the table, you should watch us, because we know how to do house chores. And you can watch us, and then your parents or your mom can just give you money. They can send you out. They can give you pocket money. They can do anything to give you nice things to say. Since you did the dishes.
Okay, Chatterbox. Can Liana speak, please?
I am not a chatterbox.
But you're not letting your sister speak. You're just doing all the talking.
Because I love talking. And Liana can't even say anything.
Okay, because you didn't let her, right, Liana?
So my advice is, if you see any dirty patches or places that are dirty, then you should make up to it by sweeping or cleaning that dirty patch, so that you can live in a nice home, and when you eat, then you can just feel relaxed and you won't feel like any dirty patches are near you.
Right. Thank you, girls. Any other thing you would like to tell us?
No.
Great. So everyone, grab your house chores.
And spray. Clean the table.
So everyone,
dustpan.
grab your dustpan and brush. Start sweeping and start cleaning. I hope that you've enjoyed our video. Make sure that you subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Please hit the notification button so you don't miss any more of our videos.
And make sure that you follow us on Instagram if you can.
Bye,
Bye guys.